Hi, my name is Mike and welcome to Seniors Support Channel on YouTube. And today we'll be making gluten-free, low-carb bread in 4 minutes or less. Before I get started, since today is kind of a big day here in Indiana, it's October the 12th. It's the Parke County Bridge Fest. If you like covered bridges and you're coming to Indiana, you might want to check those out. It's the largest festival held in Indiana each year. Has millions of people come through, and I'll put the link to that festival in the description below. Since it happens every year, and if you're not watching this video in 2018, well, you can use the same link in the upcoming years. So there's a shout out for an Indiana event. All right, so I forgot to bring my timer, so I guess you'll have to time me and see how fast this goes. So the ingredients for our gluten-free bread is almond flour, baking powder, butter, eggs. You can add salt if you want. And so let me tell you how much it takes, but I'll also include that in the description. We'll be using 1/3 cup almond flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. We'll be using a 1/4 stick of butter, which is 2 tablespoons, and 1 egg. Okay, so start your timer. Here we go. I'm going to warm this butter up. About 12 seconds. While I'm doing that, I'm going to get my egg out. We'll be making the bread, or baking it, right here in the mug. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 egg, I see my time is already going to pots because I got a piece of shell in there. All right, let's whip this up. I'm going to work with both hands. There's my 1/3 cup of flour. Takes 1.5 minutes. I think I blew my time on that one because of the eggshell. I'll go ahead and be my own sponsor on this one. I'm a distributor for Zija, and I'm having their daily tea right here, which is an appetite suppressant tea. So if you're struggling with cravings in between meals, you might want to check out their daily tea. I'll put it in the description below. Comes in these little sachets, so if you want to carry them in your purse or your wallet or something, you can do that. And 30 pouches or sachets per box. I tried this before and failed miserably on my time. I had it down to 4 minutes and 12 seconds. And today I once again had a problem. So I'll stop right here, and it's only got 15 seconds to go, and I'll be right back with you. I'm going to allow the cup to cool down, and then we'll be able to slice the bread. And also, be sure to check out the description below for a link to my other video I did on how to make gluten-free bread large enough to put in your toaster, and that way you can toast it. This comes out biscuit size. So as you can see, it took up about 2/3 of the cup. So I'm going to let this cool down. We'll be right back, and we'll get the bread sliced for you. Okay, I'm back. I think our bread should be cool enough now to cut. Thanks for sticking around. Hope you enjoyed this little tip on making gluten-free bread at home. Takes about 4 minutes. Ingredients are real simple. And I've got another video that shows you how to double this quantity, and it makes it big enough you can put it in the toaster and toast it. So here is our gluten-free bread. Still a little bit hot. Well, we'll let that piece go. That's the hot one. So there we go. All we need is butter. I just like to thank you for visiting Senior Supports on the YouTube channel. Please be sure to check back often, and if you would like to, subscribe and click the bell, and every time I upload a new video, you'll be alerted. So take care, and if you get a chance to go out there to the Bridge Festival, be sure to do that. Bye-bye.